Welcome to English Listening with Bonnie channel. Hello everyone. Today we are going to listen to a short story at a farmer's market. It is simple, slow, and easy English. In this story, you will hear Bonnie, Justin, and several friendly sellers at the market. Please listen carefully and try to understand the main idea. Before we start, I have a question for you. Please listen and remember the answer. Here is the question. What are the 2 secrets for choosing a sweet melon? Listen carefully during the story. The answer will appear inside the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments. This will help you improve your English. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Wow, Justin. The market is so busy this morning.
Saturday morning is the best time to come here
Why is the morning so special?
because the food is very fresh now. There are many choices.
I see. So we should buy things early.
Exactly. The farmers bring everything here directly.
Wait, so there are no big stores here?
No big stores. You buy from the farmers face to face.
That sounds very nice and friendly.
It is. Plus, everything has a real taste.
You said there are secrets here. What do you mean?
I want to show you how to choose the best food.
Some fruit looks very pretty. Isn't that enough?
Sometimes pretty fruit is not sweet. It can be a trick.
Oh, so it looks good but tastes bad?
Yes, and some plain fruit is the sweetest thing ever.
So I cannot choose with my eyes only. That is hard.
Don't worry, by the end of today, you will be an expert.
I am so excited. Where do we start our mission?
First, close your eyes and smell the air.
I smell fresh bread and sweet flowers.
And the fruit. The whole market smells alive.
It all smells so good. It feels so quiet and nice. Let's buy something at every stand. I want to try everything.
That is a very good plan. Let's start with the vegetables.
Look at these tomatoes. There are so many colors.
Let me show you how to pick a perfect one.
How do I know? Is it just the color?
A good tomato has a very deep, strong color.
This one is very red. Does that mean it is ready?
Now check the weight. Is it heavy in your hand?
Yes, it feels very heavy for its size.
That is a great sign. Heavy means it has more juice.
I never knew that. Color and weight matter. What about these green leaves? They look a bit sad.
For leaves, always look for ones that stand up firm.
These ones are soft and tired. Are they old?
Yes, don't buy those. Always pick the firm, happy ones.
I see. Oh, look at the price sign. $3?
That is because they are in season right now.
In season? What does that mean exactly?
It means it's the best time of year. They taste better and cost less.
Cheaper and better? That is perfect for me.
And look at this one. It has a funny shape.
It looks so funny. Is it bad because it isn't round?
No, the taste is exactly the same, but it is even cheaper.
So I should not judge a vegetable by its shape.
Right. Let's buy these and find some fruit.
Excuse me, these fruits look absolutely wonderful.
Thank you. Good morning. Are you looking for something sweet?
Yes, but how do I know which one is the sweetest?
They all look exactly the same to me.
That is a very good question. Most people just use their eyes.
Is the color or the size not important?
No, the size does not tell you the taste.
Like the vegetables? A plain fruit can be sweet?
Exactly. Do not trust your eyes only. Try this. Take this melon and smell the bottom. Right here.
Okay. Oh, it smells like sugar and honey.
That is the secret. A sweet smell means it is ready.
Justin, you have to smell it, not just look at it.
They are the same size, but this one is much heavier.
Always choose the heavy one. It has more water inside.
Smell and wait. I will remember that forever.
We have free samples today. Would you like a piece?
Can I try this peach? It looks so juicy.
Of course. Please go ahead and taste.
Mmm, it is so sweet. It is like candy from a tree.
That is the best thing about the market. You can taste it first.
I love it. I will take this melon and 6 peaches, please.
Great choice. Here you go. Enjoy your sweet fruit.
And look, they have fresh eggs and honey too.
Yes, fresh eggs from the farm. Let me show you a trick.
A trick for eggs? Can they do magic?
How do you know if an egg is really fresh? At home, put the egg in a bowl of water. A fresh egg sinks to the bottom. It stays down.
And if it is old, what happens then?
An old egg floats to the top. Do not eat it if it floats.
That is so easy, just water and time. Hey, some eggs are brown and some are white. Is there a difference?
Good eye. Many people think brown eggs are better, but they are exactly the same inside, no difference. The color only depends on the kind of hen.
So the taste and health are the same? That's good to know.
Yes, don't pay more just for a different color.
What about this honey? It says it is from this area.
It is local honey. The bees make it from flowers nearby.
Local honey sounds special. I will buy 1 jar for my tea.
Oh, wait. Do you have any cash with you?
Cash? Can't I use my credit card here?
Some small stands only take cash. It is better to have some.
Lucky me, I have some cash today. $20.
Perfect. Let's pay and see what's next.
Oh my. This bread smells amazing. It is so warm.
Good morning. I baked all of this just 2 hours ago.
Day? Then it must be very fresh and soft.
Very fresh. Fresh bread always has a strong, warm smell.
How can I tell if bread is fresh next time I go alone?
It is easy. Knock on the bottom of the bread.
Knock on the bottom? Like this? Knock, knock.
Yes, fresh bread makes a light, empty sound.
Oh, I hear it. It sounds very light.
That means it is baked well and it is very fresh.
How long does this bread stay good? A week?
No, eat it today or tomorrow. It is simple bread.
Simple bread? Does that mean nothing else is in it?
That's right. Just flour, water, and salt. So eat it soon.
I want to eat it right now. It smells too good.
Many people do. We have white bread and brown bread today.
What is the difference between them besides the color?
The brown bread uses the whole grain. It is better for your body.
That sounds very healthy. Which one is your favorite?
Try the brown one. It has a much deeper taste.
I will take this brown one then. It looks delicious. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. And these berries look like little jewels.
Okay, expert. Can you tell if these berries are fresh?
The fresh ones have a very bright color.
Yes, bright color and a little bit of shine.
These blueberries are very shiny. They look perfect.
Good. But there is one more very important secret. Always check the bottom of the box. Do you know why?
The bottom? Why would I look down there?
Berries are soft. If they are old, they get wet at the bottom.
This box is very clean and dry. No juice.
Then it is a good box. Wet means broken or old berries.
I am learning so much from you today, Justin.
Look, they also have jam made from these berries.
Why do they make jam if they have fresh fruit?
To keep it good for a long time. It is a very smart old idea.
Oh, so nothing is wasted. That is wonderful. How do people eat this jam? Just with a spoon?
Put it on that fresh brown bread we just bought.
Fresh bread and berry jam? That sounds like a dream breakfast.
It is simple, but it is the best meal you can have.
What a morning! My bag is full of secrets and fresh food.
Let's sit on this bench and rest for a minute.
Good idea. My feet are tired, but my heart is very happy.
So, Bonnie, what did you learn today?
I learned that pretty food is not always the best food.
That's right. What else?
A good tomato should have a deep color and feel heavy.
Excellent. You remembered that one.
Fresh leaves should stand up firm and look healthy.
Perfect.
I also learned that vegetables with funny shapes can taste just as good.
Sometimes they are even cheaper.
And fruit should smell sweet if it is ready to eat.
Yes, your nose is a powerful tool.
Heavy fruit usually has more juice inside.
Exactly.
Fresh eggs sink in water and old eggs float.
Very good.
Brown eggs and white eggs are the same inside.
You got it.
Fresh bread has a warm smell and makes a light sound when you knock on it.
You are becoming a real market expert.
And fresh berries should be bright, shiny, and dry at the bottom.
I think you learned every lesson today.
The biggest lesson is not to trust my eyes only.
That may be the most important lesson of all.
I should use my eyes, my hands, and even my nose.
Exactly. Good food leaves clues if you know where to look.
I feel much more confident now.
Then my mission is complete.
Thank you for teaching me everything today.
You're welcome. Next time, you can teach someone else.
Really? I think I can.
I know you can.
This was more than a shopping trip. It was an adventure.
And a delicious one, too.
Next Saturday, can we come back again?
Of course, the market always has something new to discover.
Then it's a date. I can't wait for our next market adventure.
Me neither.
Let's go home and enjoy all this wonderful food.
Great idea. Lead the way, market expert.
Ha! I like the sound of that.
Great job listening. Now, let's check the question again. What are the 2 secrets for choosing a sweet melon? Did you catch the answer? If yes, please write it in the comments below. Practice like this every day, and your English will improve step by step. Thank you for watching. If you like this lesson, please subscribe and like the video. I will share more slow and easy English stories for you. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.